Hey there, fellow creators and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing, as we review the game-changing Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer. Enjoy as we unravel the remarkable features and advantages that make this printer a true standout in the realm of 3D printing. Let's talk about print quality. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus sets a new standard with its exceptional print precision. Every intricate detail, every fine line, comes out with breathtaking accuracy. Whether you're into intricate artistry or need functional prototypes, the MK3S Plus consistently delivers prints with sharp edges, silky smooth surfaces, and impeccable layer adhesion. Moving on to the assembly process, a breeze even for beginners. Prusa Research has truly outdone themselves by simplifying the setup. With comprehensive instructions and smartly organized packaging, you'll find yourself pleasantly surprised by the ease of putting this printer together. And guess what? The pre-calibrated bed leveling sensor takes the hassle out of leveling, saving you time and potential frustration. Sturdiness and reliability define the MK3S Plus. The robust frame and premium components ensure stability even during those marathon printing sessions. Worried about unexpected power cuts? Fear not. Enhanced filament sensors and power loss recovery features have got you covered, safeguarding your prints from any interruptions. Let's talk user-friendliness. The MK3S Plus is a joy to operate. Its touchscreen interface is a revelation, responsive and intuitive, making navigation and adjustments a breeze. The built-in auto bed leveling and filament sensors elevate the experience even further, reducing the need for constant manual intervention and enhancing your overall 3D printing journey. But wait, there's more. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus isn't just a printer, it's part of a thriving community. With an active online forum and abundant support resources, Prusa fosters an environment where users share insights, troubleshoot, and collectively push the boundaries of 3D printing. Of course, like any masterpiece, there's always room for improvement. Some of you might desire a larger build volume, although the current size works for most projects. And while the assembly process is well documented, newcomers might encounter a few challenges along the way. To wrap things up, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is a game-changer that seamlessly blends performance, reliability, and user-friendliness. With impeccable print quality, a hassle-free setup, and rock-solid construction, it's a must-have for both newcomers and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. This printer isn't just an investment in exceptional results, it's an invitation to embark on an enjoyable and seamless 3D printing journey. So, if you're on the lookout for a 3D printer that epitomizes quality, reliability, and innovation, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus should undoubtedly be on your radar. Check the description below for a link to the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and tech content.